100% amazing, and Emily and I just spotted whales. A new shark sign this year, guys. Yikes.
Stop!
Nothing.
I'm gonna break it.
No. Morning, everyone. We are on the way to Nauset. First trip to Nauset this year. The kids are excited.
I hope I don't get eaten.
I hope you don't get eaten either, because that would be terrible. We're gonna play it safe. We're just having our little talk about if things are crazy, we have to follow the rules.
But what if I do get eaten?
Andrew.
You won't get eaten.
Mommy will keep you
You'll get
safe.
Bitten. I'll just get bitten.
But remember, like, we're basically intruding on sharks' territory, right?
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's their place.
It's America's territory.
Look at this.
Oh, place. Oh, place. They probably put like a bunch of lifeguards. They probably put a bunch of lifeguards. You know why? Right.
These new boogie boards we got this year, guys. We are ready to roll. You guys ready to do this? All right, go ahead.
The stuff on it makes
Yeah. Got a new shark sign this year, guys. Yikes. We made it. So beautiful. You see them? You already saw one? Oh yeah, I see him. Just beyond Daddy. Jumping down the hill.
Which way is the wind?
It's amazing.
Try to run up it. Oh my god. Hey, look at it.
It's cold.
So cold.
Feel good?
My feet are numb.
Woo!
Not even that cold. Remember last year when we kept tomatoes?
It is quite cold, guys.
I was slipped.
What do you think, bud? Good? Such a pretty beach.
Like their skin gets so numb it feels warm.
Woo!
Waves right now.
Pretty good, right?
None.
None? Yeah, it's pretty calm. Pretty calm for Nauset.
Imagine doing running away from the huge waves. That's sand!
Woo! Hey guys, it is 100% amazing. 100% amazing, and Emily and I just spotted whales. We're sitting way up on the hill and you can see down over the beach, and there was a whale just spouting all the water, like psh, and then we actually saw the whale going up and down. Amazing. Gotta tell Daddy. You can see the whales from here too, and they just saw them. Pretty amazing. It's like right in front of that boat that's out there. Freaking incredible. This good, bud? Are you surfing?
Yes.
Show everybody the whale. See the whale way the heck out there by the boat? So flat. Oh, there he goes blowing it. Yeah, he's behind the boat. You can see him blowing his...
It was behind the
boat.
It's behind the boat.
That's so cool. We need the big lens.
Stop!
Nothing.
I'm gonna break it.
No. Had the most amazing beach day, didn't we? Wasn't it good?
We stayed there like forever.
Was it good to be back at Nauset? So we saw a whale, which was amazing, right?
I have a bunch of them.
Saw a bunch of seals.
Yeah. We even saw a baby one.
And the beach was closed for 1 hour because there were shark sightings somewhere along that shoreline. We don't really know exactly where, but we all had to get out of the water for 1 hour. And that was okay, right? And the boys had super duper fun. The tide came in and they were jumping over the waves, like running and diving and crashing over the waves, right? Aiden and Owen.
We made like a wall, like going into the water.
Oh yeah, that was cool. Like a cliff from the waves crashing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, super duper awesome, amazing beach day number 1 at Nauset. Many more to follow. I love Cape Cod. Good morning, Stowed Stuff fam. We are headed to Nauset. We've got a new shovel or two. We've got a packed cooler. We are gonna hit low tide right when we get there-ish, right? It's gonna be low tide soon. And we're hoping to see a whole lot of action today. We wanna see that whale again. I wanna see the whale.
We're not gonna see a whale.
Maybe his buddy will be there. Another whale, right?
It didn't jump out because I was waiting.
And maybe we could go for a big long walk. Low tide. We could.
I wanted to last time, but
yeah, so we had great day number 1 yesterday and we're going for great day number 2 right about now. Woo! We made it. This beach is so amazing. Check it out. They're already in the water. Aiden's already got his board. He's like, I am ready to go. You going? What you get?
Fries!
Wow, French fries from the food truck. Are they gonna be cold, we think?
No, they're hot.
Ooh.
Don't drop them.
Amazing. That's a big bunch of fries. Are they yours?
Owen!
Did you get ice cream, buddy?
Wanna put that in the
You
cooler?
get some ice cream? Good boy. No, you can't carry them because they'll drop.
I do want